video, but yo. Alright guys, first one I'm gonna do is this one. This one is a Nickelodeon slime, 3 palettes, 3 colors, and 1. And this is actually blue, pink, and purple. And they used to have purple, orange, and pink, and now it is blue. So I like it a lot more because it's more like a galaxy and the colors match more. And yeah, there's a hair in this, and I don't know if I should be like concerned because this does not look like my hair. It looks like a very thick black hair. Anyways guys, here is the slime. We got purple right here. It seems like it got lighter. Yeah, I think it did because it used to be like the dark clearish purple. Now it's like the lavender one. Oh, now we have blue, teal actually. Before I didn't like it because it was orange and purple, and those don't go well together because it kind of makes like a brown. But now it's kind of like a galaxy, and this is just going to turn into a nice purple. So yeah, I am excited. It's actually going together. Then we have the last one. It's pink. This is like one of my favorites. Alrighty, let's put it right here, and now let's do a little slime smoothie. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, I love this so much more. It is gorgeous. Reminds me of Twilight Sparkle. Look at those layers, yes. Alright guys, so here is the end product of this. So now let's go ahead and give it a makeover. Alright, so first what we gotta do is we gotta make this softer. It is pretty stretchy as is, but I wanna try and make it a bit stretchier because I wanna try and make it into a butter slime. So first I'm gonna go ahead and add some of this, what is it called? It's called body oil. It's called body oil gel. Basically it's like baby oil but in a gel form, and I wanted to try it with this. I wanted to see if it might like help more than lotion to soften, so we'll see. It smells so good. It smells like a bunch of like brownies and chocolate. I love that. Okay, it seems like it's helping. I don't know. I think it is. Yeah, I think it did help. Wow. I gotta get me some more of this. Alright, I think it is a lot stretchier. Now I'm gonna add some lotion though, because I think it needs a creamy touch. Okay, we're gonna put some lotion. Okay, I think it is a lot stretchier now. Here it is now. It seems like it's a lot stretchier. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the clay. Well, actually, I'm just gonna add the whole clay. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and add the Daiso clay in here. Ooh, this one is actually soft. Usually they're like so dry. Guys, so I mixed it a lot, and now here it is. It's kind of like a fluffy slime, to be honest. It's actually really cool, and I'm actually really loving it. Alright, so now guys, we're gonna work on the color, and I decided I'm gonna add some of this Art Time pink paint because I thought it might add like a cool color to it, so I'm gonna try that. Let's make a little smiley face. That is a weird. No, it's good. I like it. I had to ruin it. Alright. Okay. Let's go ahead and mix that. Alright guys, so here it is now. It is a lot brighter, so I really like it a lot more. And I don't know, I feel like I should add some more paint to it. So let's go ahead and do that. We're gonna make, I'm gonna attempt to make a dog face. Is that a dog face? Let's go ahead and mix it. Okay, the color did change again, and I am really liking the color now. I think this is good, and I think it actually also did get softer, so that is also really good too. Alright guys, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add some glitters because this slime needs some glitter, guys. We're gonna add some iridescent glitter, some gold glitter, Not too much of that one because it makes the slime look funky if you add too much, like weird. Okay, and then also some of this extra fine blue glitter because I feel like it actually will look really cool. So we're gonna add some of that. And it's mixed. Oh wait, and then we're also gonna add some blue foam beads because I feel like it will add some extra pizzazz to this, you know. I'm adding the whole thing. I just wanted to see how it would look. Sprinkling it. Ooh. Alright, here it is. I actually really like it. I think it looks really cool. And like the foam beads and the gold glitter stand out a lot and it looks really pretty. I feel like it reminds me a lot of like Monsters Inc. But I feel like that's not really the colors. I don't know. Yeah, it reminds me of Monsters Inc. or like Berry something. That is it for this slime makeover. I think it actually went pretty well. Sometimes they don't go the best, but this one actually went pretty good. I like it. I think I did a pretty good job with it. Alright guys, next we're gonna do is this Nickelodeon slime neon green one. So nice. Look how gloss. Look at that gloss. So for this one, guys, I think we should add some hair gel first to make it softer. Although it is pretty stretchy as is right now, but I'm gonna add some hair gel still. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna add some hair gel. Alrighty, let's mix that up. Alright guys, so I think I added enough hair gel. Now we're gonna add the we're gonna give it a makeover basically. Okay, so I'm gonna add some of this R-Type yellow paint because I want to see what color it will turn. It's yellow. It kind of looks like a weird yellow, but it's actually really bright yellow. So I want to see what color this will turn when we add it. I feel like it's probably gonna turn into like a neon green. Yeah, I should get the other yellow. Okay, well it's definitely a lot brighter. Alright, here it is now. I'm gonna go ahead and add more paint, but I'm gonna get a neon yellow. Alright guys, I'm using this paint instead because I feel like it's obviously it's brighter, so I wanna see it will make it brighter. So let's add it. What the? It went like the other way. Oh my gosh. It's going the other, what the heck? As you can see, it is much brighter. I wonder if this paint will soften up the slime too. Kind of seems like it is. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some foam beads into this. I decided to add some blue and some yellow because I thought it looked cool, like kind of like lime or something. So yeah, and then we're gonna add some glitter, of course, because I have to. Iridescent glitter. Did I put a lot? I don't know if I put a lot. Let's mix it. Ooh, it looks cool. It reminds me of candy, like Sour Patch Kids. Okay, I think I'm gonna get some more foam beads because I kind of want this to be like a really, like, a very saturated foam. Okay, I got some more foam beads, guys. We're gonna add that in there. Ooh, that looked cool. And of course, we're gonna add some more glitter. Some glitter. I wanted to have a lot of glitter and a lot of foam beads, guys. It's got so much glitter and so much foam beads, and it looks amazing. I really love this one. I think it's gonna be my favorite, but I don't know. We still have one more slime to give a makeover to, so yeah. But I think we are all done with this one. Let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, this next one I'm gonna do is what is Creative Kids Guzooka slime, bucket of slime. And these I actually got from Big Lots, and they are very interesting. They're $5 each, and they are clear slime, and yeah. Oh my gosh. Look at how nice that is. Whoa, guys, this is actually really nice. Oh my god. Okay, this is actually so nice, guys. What the heck? And it's completely clear. Completely clear. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. It's very jiggly. It's a very thin, jiggly, clear slime, but it is still very nice. Oh my gosh. Okay guys, so I think I know what I'm gonna do with this. I'm gonna make it into a galaxy. Yeah, we're gonna make it into a galaxy. Okay, so I just decided I'm gonna make it into 2 pieces and we're gonna make it into a galaxy. So we're gonna make it 1 part, or should we make it 3 pieces? You know what, actually we're gonna do 3 pieces this time, guys. We're gonna do 1 piece pink, 1 piece blue, and 1 piece purple. So let's do this. All right, so this is a very light color, so I think we should be able to do it pretty good. I don't know, but I really hope we can. So first I'm gonna do blue. Let's put that over there. We're gonna do blue. We're gonna put some food coloring. I want it to be dark, especially since it is yellow. I'm gonna add a whole drop. I hope this works. I haven't made a galaxy slime in so long. Okay, so this kind of turned into like a greenish, tealish color. So I don't know if I should add more blue or if I should just keep it like this. I don't know, it's pretty blue. I don't think it matters. I think I'm just gonna leave it like this. All right, okay, next one. We're gonna do pink now. Hopefully this goes well. I don't know if pink's gonna be strong enough, but I think it will. Yeah, this is going good. It's going good so far. Kind of turning a bit like orange, but I think it's fine. Is it? Kind of orange, but yeah, I think it's fine. It's like an orange red, orange pink, like grapefruit. And then the last one, we're gonna do purple. I don't think we should have a problem with this one because purple is a very dark color. So yeah. Hopefully it doesn't turn brown. I don't think it will. This is kind of a brown color, but it's still pretty purple. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and add our glitters, and hopefully that helps with the colors and stuff. So yeah. All right, guys, so to be completely honest, my galaxy is looking a bit funky, the colors and everything, but I'm hoping that the glitter will help that out a little bit. So yeah. Okay, so for our purple one, when you have this in like a small, just a little side thought, when you have this in like a small little piece, it's pink, but then it turns orange. Okay, but anyways, for our purple one, we have some purple. Whoa. Oh my gosh. That was a lot of glitter. Whoopsies. Okay, well, we have our purple glitter, and then we have some of this silver glitter, and then some of this blue and purple glitter. And let's mix it. Presto. Let's see if that helps. I think it did. Yeah, it did. I think it did, but I think I did add a little bit too much glitter. Oh wait, no I didn't. Okay, this is gorgeous. This one is gorgeous. I think it really helped. It does look a lot more purple now. I am excited, guys, because I think these glitters are gonna help. There's some silver glitter. Oh well, that was a lot. And then some blue glitter. So this blue glitter. And some holographic blue tizzle glitter. Yes. Okay, I hope this is enough. And let's mix. Yes, beautiful. This is gorgeous. I love this. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful it is, guys. It is definitely blue. This is gonna be a beautiful galaxy slime. This is definitely a lot more blue now, and I am very, very, very happy, guys. Let's do the last one. This one I have the most worries on, I guess. But I think we could do it. All right, we're gonna add some pink glitter. This extra fine pink glitter. And then this is kind of like a magenta pink glitter. It's kind of purplish, but it's still pretty pink. We're gonna add some iridescent glitter because I don't have any more other pink glitters. And some silver glitter. And hopefully this works, guys. I think it will. There's a lot of glitter in this. I feel like this one has the most glitter. I added like a lot. Yes, it works, guys. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh, it looks so much better now. It is a lot more pink, and I think the glitter really, really helped. Oh my gosh, thank goodness. Okay, well guys, I am so excited to mix these all. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful. Okay, let's just do some ASMR really quick to show them. We got the pink one that I don't even think has any more clear in it. It's like just a glitter. And then we have this really pretty purple one. I love how the purple one looks. It's very stretchy, what the heck? This purple one looks so amazing. And then the blue one, of course. All right, guys, and let's mix them now. I am so excited. Okay. All right, now I wanna roll them up. Should I roll them up? Yeah, I'm gonna roll them up. I'm gonna roll it up, and we're gonna put it back in the bucket. I wanna see how it look. Look at that. Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, the label completely ruins the blue slide, but look at how beautiful it is, guys. Okay, well, if you guys want to see me mix this, we have to wait till tomorrow. I'm just kidding, guys. I'm just kidding. I want to do that to you. But anyways, guys, oh my gosh, look at how beautiful it is. You guys comment down below on a scale of 1 to 10 how beautiful it is. I think it's a 10. Like, this is gorgeous. I need to make more galaxy slimes. Alrighty, guys, can we get a little before and after? Look at how beautiful that is. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think I did a very good job on this one. Okay, let's go ahead and take it out of the bucket and let's mix it. Gotta get that blue. I don't know why, but it's sticking to the container. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is so pretty. I don't know how long it's been since I've done a galaxy slime like this, like with a lot of glitter, but like it's been too long. Oh my gosh. The thing I love about galaxy slimes is that it just turns into like a purple galaxy slime at the end. It's like still a galaxy slime. It's just purple and glitter. Okay, well, here is the end. It did go very fast, I think, because it's like clear slime, you know. But it was very, very beautiful, guys. Like, oh my gosh. And now we have this beautiful thing too. It has so much glitter in it. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is amazing. Okay, guys, I didn't think I could love a slime more than the last one, but this one I definitely love a lot better. All right, let's put that back in its container. That is beautiful. I love it. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you comment down below on part 2 and what is your favorite, and also that is not a part 2 if you guys just want another one. And that is it. We so much. I hope I see you next time. Bye.